Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to make a map tool in Roblox Studio. Create new block part. Scale it to make a flat surface like this. Duplicate and move it to the side. Shape it like this. Another one for the right side. Assign color. Select middle part. Add texture. Then save the project. Find texture property and add image. I got a beautiful map image from Image Playground. Let's select it. Now select the right face to display. In my case it need to display on left face. Let duplicate texture and assign to opposite face. Cool, now we have beautiful map. But it still need a handle. For player to grab. Remember every tool need handle. You can create new part. Or duplicate existing part to make handle. Scale it smaller. Rename it to handle. We don't want the handle visible. So set it transparency to 1. For less complicated. I'm trying to union parts together. But the texture disappeared. So maybe later we will do the texture after union. For this project, I keep it separate. Press Command or Ctrl and Z to go back. Awesome, now we have map model and the handle. For Roblox to understand something is a tool. We need to add tool from workspace. Let's add tool by click little plus button. Now select all parts of our map. Drag it to the tool. You will see the touch interest will auto add to handle. It will be used for player to collect tool when player touch the tool. Now add weld constraints to handle. Select weld constraint. Assign part 0 to handle. And part 1 to one of the map's part. Duplicate 2 more times. And assign part 1 to remaining parts. Okay, now select the tool and move it down a bit. So it's staying on the ground. Let's test. Awesome, now I can grab the map and carrying it. But it looks so big right now. And the direction is not correct. Let's adjust the size and direction of the map. We will need to adjust the handle in right place. It's where player grab the map. It took me some time to tweak the map. Okay, now it's look better. Let's change material to neon, so it has some glow effect. Perfect, I built my own map tool on Roblox Studio. You also can build whatever tool you want like this. Good luck. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.